we're going to take a look at another use of the mail merge feature found here within Microsoft Word. We just took a look at creating mailing labels, going through that step-by-step mail merge wizard. 6 little steps, create your mailing labels. We're going to take a look at creating form letters in this next exercise. And this is another really simple process. It's actually the same wizard that you're going to go through with some slight differences, but nothing big. This should feel very similar to the exercise we just went through. Now, the idea of a form letter, I create a little template, something like what I have open in front of you right now. You can download this exact letter from this video. It's called number 17 mail merge form letter. Make sure you download that. That's what I'm going to use here. But it's got some standard verbiage in here, just kind of some template stuff. Dear nobody in this point, we're writing to inform you that the following address has been added to your record. No address currently in there. If we need to follow up with you regarding your account, we have this number on record. No number in there currently, and thank you. So I'm going to send this out to hundreds of clients. But I need to plug in each specific client's information. Dear John, dear Jane, right? Their address, their phone number, put that stuff in here. Well, I don't want to do that by hand. Hundreds or thousands of customers, no way, right? I want to save myself some time. I want to take my lunch break. I want to go home on time. Let's get the mail merge to hook up to that Excel document and plug that data in here for us. Check it out. So I'm going to start out up there next to Dear, but I'm going to go to my Mailings tab, back to Start a Mail Merge, and I'm going to do the step-by-step mail merge once again. All right, now this time I'm going to create a letter. Already there. Hit Next. I'm going to start with the current document, this document I have open. So all good there. First 2 steps, what a breeze. Creating a letter using the existing document I have open. Now the third step, we get to go browse for the Excel document again. Remember that? Same thing. I'll go find that Excel document. Let's see, Microsoft, we got Word, exercises. I'm using the same one, customer info mail merge. It's available to download in the first video of this section. All right, only got one worksheet in there, one table. The first row does contain column headers, so I'll hit Next or hit OK. All right, there's my data. I'm going to send it out to everybody. I'm not going to sort it. All looks good. I'll hit OK. All right, first 3 steps out of the way. Now, next step, I can write the letter. Now, I've already got the bulk of the letter here, but now I want to start plugging in the little bits of data that are available to me from that Excel document. The customer's name, their address, and their phone number. All right, so I'm going to click up here next to Dear. I'm going to go to Mailing, Insert Merge Fields. I'm going to insert the contact name. There we go. I'm going to drop down here, and I'm going to put their address in there. I'm going to format it nice and clean. We'll put the city, comma, space, postal code. And I'll put the country down here at the bottom. And then for their phone number, I'll come over here and I'll drop in their phone number. There we have it. All right, so now I've got these controls or these fields that are picking up from that Excel document. Create a nice dynamic letter. If I go preview this, all right, Dear Maria Anders. There's Maria's address. There's the phone number. I can go from record to record here. Let's just hit Next. There's Anna, Antonio, Thomas, Christina, and so on. Got all the records in there. Let's see. I can't remember how many in there. I think there's a couple hundred. Got 38 up there. Helen Bennett lives in the UK. There's the phone number. This is all step 4. You're now just plugging in the fields into the letter. So now I'll go to the next step. You can preview it. We've really already done that, so this step's kind of unnecessary to us right now because you got the preview button up there. And I'll complete the merge. Once again, just like labels, you can send it out to the printer, or you can edit them individually, individual letters. Let's go ahead and edit individual. I'll do all of them. Now this might take some time depending on how many records you have in there, but there's my first page. You can see that it's actually counting down over here. Now it says I got 8 pages there. Maria Anders. Let's go ahead and scroll through. 91. I guess there's 91 records in there. There's page 3, Antonio, Thomas, same exact letter, right? But just all the different customers. and so on. Pretty slick. How quick was that? It beats doing it by hand, having to retype all that stuff, copy, paste. Use the mail merge. You got the data source, whether it's in Excel or Outlook or some other source, hook it up to Word, perform a mail merge, and plug the data into your nice little form letter. So try this out. Very slick, very powerful. One of my favorite features inside of Word, mail merge. Try them both. If you haven't done the label yet, do the labels, and then try out the form letter.